Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on sensitive content control on Instagram. So first to be able to do that, you have to close and click on open Instagram. Once you open it, then you tap at the profile icon, then you click on this three line button. Okay, good. Once you click on it, then you scroll down a little. Keep scrolling down, then you click on suggested content. Okay, from here you can configure the type of content you're interested in. So right now I'm just gonna click on the sensitive content. So from here you can configure the sensitive content. If you want to see less, you want more, or you want the standard level of sensitive content control that you want to be seen on your profile, your reels, your posts, and some other stuff like that. Then from here you can configure it. So you put it on more, which is the on part, then you confirm, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.